Right, so I'm going to show you how to download and set up WhatsApp Messenger on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. Now this is very simple. All you have to do is go to the Google Play Store, go to the search function, and then just search for WhatsApp. From the results, make sure you get the correct application, which is the WhatsApp Messenger. This one right here, go ahead and install it on your tablet. With WhatsApp installed, you can click on open, and then you set it up with your WhatsApp account, and every account is attached to a phone number. So that's basically what you're using to set it up. So I'm going to use the phone number that's inside the tablet. So click on agree and continue, and then enter your phone number. And once you enter your phone number and then confirm that it's the one, WhatsApp will automatically try to verify that phone number. So it can give you a missed call, or you can choose verify another way if you have another way of verifying, like an SMS code or something. Now for me, since I have the SIM card inside this phone, I'll just go for the missed call option. There you go. So you saw the missed call. It's now verified that it's my phone number, and now I can continue with the setup process of my WhatsApp account. Now, if you did have a backup, it's gonna let you know that you did have a backup, so you can see if you previously backed up or stuff like that. I'm gonna skip that and then just skip all this. It's gonna offer me to transfer from an old phone. I'll skip that as well and just set up a brand new account. I'm gonna call myself Web Pro. This is the name other people are going to see on your WhatsApp account, and that's it. You can choose to have an email. I'll skip that and do that later. And that's it. I have WhatsApp set up and ready to go on my Galaxy Tab A11. Thanks for watching, and good luck.